Taki taki, taki taki rumba.
Viewers, this is Takid Master, as you always know, one and only Takid Master. Today, viewers, I'm gonna bring you some workouts, and the workouts that I'm gonna bring you today are just concerning push-ups. Many people do push-ups, but they do the push-ups the wrong way. And I'm gonna show you the right way of doing push-ups, because in every kind of workout, if you wanna be fit in a workout or to avoid any kind of injury, make sure that you do the right form of every workout that you do. Never rush. And if you've got any injuries, make sure that you consult with professional trainers. And that's why we as professional personal trainers, we always around to come wherever you need us at your doorsteps. So as I'm gonna start, I'm gonna show you how to do different kind of push-ups. And I'm gonna show you the wrong way and the right way. So welcome viewers. And this is how it's gonna be with most push-ups. Most guys do push-ups this way. Some just do it this way. And mostly, you find most people doing this way, the push-ups. They are here. Someone does it with the waist. There's no way you can do a push-up with the waist. Push-ups only need your chest to go down, then back up. And this is how you do it. Make sure your fingers are facing forward. You face forward. You go down. 1, then back up. 2, back up. 3, back up. 4, back up. 5, back up. So that's the right way of doing push-up. Then another way, you can do the push-ups if you're a martial artist or you're strong enough to strengthen your first 2 knuckles. The first 2 knuckles are very essential on your fist push-ups. You put them like this. Don't force yourself. Face forward. You go down. 1, then back up. 2, back up. 3, back up. 4, back up. Then 5, back up. Make sure that wherever you're doing push-ups, don't push your waist in. It's just the chest that goes down, then back up. Then we have tiger. If you're still a martial artist, put your fingers, but remember, if you're still starting, don't force yourself into these kind of push-ups. Just do the normal ones with your palm down. So you are here with a tiger, you go 1, then back up. You go 2, then back up. You just do now with the tiger close. Now then again, if you are more professional, you want to strengthen your wrist for punches, maybe in the ring or anything else. We also have the wrist push-ups. Put your wrist this way. You go down 1, you come back up. 2, you come back up. 3, you come back up. That's wrist push-ups. Then we have blade to strengthen your blade push-ups on self-defense, like the knife and strike or the blade side strike. What you do is this. Put them on the blade side, and it's also good to strengthen your wrist. So you go 1, back, 2, back, 3, back. Those are kind of push-ups that I would like to let you do. Then in an advanced way, there's a way you can also go. You do that just here. 1, you come back to tap your chest. 2, you come back to tap your chest. So you can be counting your push-ups according to how much you can. But mostly you can be doing your push-ups 15-15 in 2 reps. Remember this, quality counts more than quantity. There's no need of doing too much, then hurt yourself. It's better you do little by little until you become best. But for those who can't do full push-ups, mostly ladies, I'm sorry we do call it ladies push-ups, but I'm sure, and I know very well that there are most ladies who can even do better push-ups than men. So if you know very well that you can do the full push-ups, which is this, what you can do, put your knees down, then you push-ups, go down, then come back up. Go down, then come back up. Go down, then come back up. But remember this, viewers, as I just told you, never push yourself to the limit that will bring you injuries. As remember, working out is just for your health, fitness,
for your well-being. There's no need to go for a workout, then you end up going to hospitals. That's my part of it. Next time, I'll bring you more about push-ups and for more advanced ones. Bye, until next time. This is Takid Master, the only one. Join me for more fitnesses on my YouTube channel, Takid Master Kenya. Thanks guys. That's it.